This video will show you how to replace the ignition coils on a Mitsubishi Lancer. You'll have 4 of these across the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to locate it underneath this cover. Carefully remove your 3 10mm mounting bolts. We'll give our hardware a thorough inspection as we continue on, replace anything as necessary. That exposes our ignition coils across the top of the engine. A quick note about doing this job, the process for one will be the same as all others. Let's start by disconnecting the electrical connector for our ignition coil, and then we'll continue on to our 10mm mounting bolt. We have a locking tab along the top. You can either press in on the tab out here or gently lift along the inboard side using a pick or a small screwdriver as necessary. Whenever you disconnect an electrical connector, just take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's probably corrosion and will need to be taken care of. 10mm. We'll take hold of the ignition coil, give it a slight twist, and lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. After a quick inspection inside of the spark plug port, it's time to install our brand new ignition coil. We're going to take a little bit of dielectric lubricant and put it right along the very tip of that ignition coil, the area that slides over the spark plug. Let's take that ignition coil and we'll start sliding it down into position. We're aligning our mounting bolt port. Now with that aligned, we have our 10mm headed mounting bolt. Start it in by hand. We'll lightly bottom it out. The torque for this will be 89 inch-pounds. Let's reconnect our electrical connector. Okay friend, we showed you how to install one of your ignition coils. The process for one is going to be the exact same thing as all others. Once you've completed that, we're going to reinstall our cover. Let's get our cover in place. 3 10mm headed mounting bolts, start them all in and then snug them up. Double check to make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle. You're going to let it run. Make sure you have no running condition and no check engine light. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.